Hey guys, Kaylee Irvin here. I just wanted to walk you through GradeCam a little bit and walk you through kind of how to set up a class. So if you need to grade students from another classroom that's not automatically been assigned to you through Infinite Campus, these are some quick and simple steps on how you can get those students into a classroom in your own GradeCam. So I've just pulled up GradeCam Go, and I'm going to continue with Google to sign in and choose my Bullitt County account. And then it'll load me in. So since I'm not a classroom teacher, I don't have any students assigned to me in Infinite Campus, I'm not going to have any classes here at all. You will probably be seeing at least your homeroom class that's been assigned to you by Infinite Campus. So if you are sharing students with another teacher and you also want to be able to assign them grades through GradeCam, you can click this new button right here. And then you can create a name for that class. So I might call this one Bob's class. And then you can add a period if you want to, but you don't have to. We'll save that class and it will automatically take me in. You can see the menu over here is showing me where I'm at. So right now I'm in that classroom that I just created, but I don't see any students. So in order to get those students, all I have to do is again click new, go to create new student, and then it gives me some simple options that I have to fill out. Student ID in classrooms that are assigned to you via Infinite Campus, this will automatically pull over their student ID number. You can copy that over from Infinite Campus if you want to, but you don't have to. Each student just has to have their own unique code. So for example, you can just literally start with 001 for their student ID, and then it'll automatically kind of fill in some stuff. You can fill in their name. So I'm just gonna automatically fill it with myself and then save, and then that student is created. I can add another student, and then I'll just give them a new ID number, because if I type in the same one, then it's going to automatically fill that in for me, because that is my unique code number for GradeCam. So that's why I have to give each student their own individual code. So then I'll just fill in another one and add him. And I can just continue in that way until I get the entire class roster done. I mean, it really shouldn't take you maybe 5 minutes, depending on the size of the class that you're trying to import into GradeCam, but the steps are really simple. So just new, create new student, and then it'll walk you through. Just make sure that you're assigning each student an individual code. And if you forget, then it'll automatically prompt you when you click out of that cell. It'll automatically fill in which student you've selected using that unique ID number. So that's really the only thing that you have to keep in mind when you're creating, is that you have to give each student their own unique ID. And all that means is that when you're using GradeCam, when it sees that code, it knows that it's linked to that specific student's GradeCam account. So that's the only reason for that feature. So that's pretty simple. I hope those simple steps help you as you get your GradeCam set up. If you need any support at all, please reach out to me via email and I'd be glad to help you. Thanks.